6. Document your preventive maintenance and servicing in detail. Record keeping is a crucial part of the preventive maintenance regimen. You will need to check various parts of the heavy machinery, ranging from lubricants to electrical systems. It's a complicated process that requires a comprehensive record of each maintenance with date, time, technical specifications of the service, parts that were replaced, and the next service scheduled. It can, however, help you create specialized maintenance programs, make it easier to process warranty claims for spare parts, and maintain accountability. For small organizations, using a spreadsheet to document the inspections, repairs, and replacements is enough. However, large organizations often need to use preventive maintenance software to track their maintenance activity. Record keeping needs to store all maintenance and service records conveniently. Upkeep, EPAC, and Innomate are some examples of the preventive maintenance software available. Parting words. Heavy equipment requires substantial financial investment and extensive operator training. That's why you have to make sure it functions smoothly, is in a healthy condition, and has a long lifespan. Hopefully, these 6 tips will help you maintain your heavy equipment and increase its longevity. Start implementing them as soon as possible to see the results yourself.